Core system libraries failing because of the Prntvpt Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist, and I'll show you exactly how to restore your stability. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for Prntvpt Library, you can access a utility to help standardize your system references. This is the Prntvpt Library, the print ticket and print schema library. It manages the localized unmanaged conversion of localized application print settings into localized XML-based print tickets. Mandatory for localized high-fidelity localized printing manifests in modern Windows apps. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft Redistributable. If Prntvpt Library DLL is missing, it indicates a problem with your Windows system image. I suggest running sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a surgical repair of your core operating system files. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Prntvpt library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. From a cybersecurity perspective, I must warn you never to download files like Prntvpt Library DLL from unofficial repositories, as these are often bundled with malware that can compromise your system's data integrity. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. If system conflicts or lag are present, the resource below outlines concepts related to Prntvpt library management. To support our technical team and receive updates on Prntvpt library resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.